Good day everyone. So first, I will introduce myself. I am Rian P. Mole from 11MFL 01 first year. So now I will discuss two theories. First about George Herbert Mead theories and John Watson about nurture theories. So first, George Herbert Mead, I and me, was explained development of the self. Social process involving two distinct components. So the two distinct components is the I. So what is the I? The I is impulsive and spontaneous, while the me is social self and involving others' attitude shaped by internalized with others. Also, the I is there is no discretion on decision making, action, anything else, etc. While the me is reflective of the self. Here it said reflective of the self that it should be always have a plan and think carefully and remember the outcomes will be affected on other people. So now, I try to apply based on George Herbert Mead theory, which is the I and me. So, ang I ko is, kunwari, gagastos kami or kakain sa labas ng mga friends, kaklase or kakilala ko na mas kailangan ko makipagsabayan sa kanila na bumili or gumastos ng mga iba-ibang hindi ko naman needs kesa sa wants. So, now, ang me ko naman is mas kailangan kong isipin na i-save ang money para sa tuition or PSG ko, hindi sa pansariling luho lamang. Kesa sa wants is mas need kong i-save yon para sa aking sarili at mas sa mga bagay na mas kailangan pera na gastusin doon. So, me is iniisip ko talaga na mabuting patutunguhan ang gagawin kong desisyon at mag-iisip ako ng maraming oras para makapag-desisyon. So, now I will discuss John Watson theories, which is about nurture. So, John Watson, known as American psychologist and behaviorism, he found that it's shaped by environmental rather than genetics or traits. So, John Watson also believes that humans are largely shaped by their environment. He rejected the idea that people are born with fixed traits or personalities. Now, I try to apply this to myself based on John Watson said. So, John Watson said, you don't stay the same because, on my experience, society has changed me as time goes by. I've been more affected by the changing perspective. So, si John Watson ay naniniwala na hindi ka lang doon. I mean, kung saan ka pinanganak, etc. or lumaki or tatanda is doon ka na lang. Hindi doon naniniwala si John Watson. Ang paniniwala niya is pwede kang mabago ng pananaw or nakakasalamuha mong tao o kultura ay pwede o posibleng mangyari or ma-apply mo sa sarili mo at pwede kang mabago nun. So, conclusion of two I discussed theories, which is George Herbert Mead, the I and me, shows how people do develop on social interaction, while John Watson idea of nurture is behavior shaped by environment and experiences. So, both remind us just are influenced not just by ourselves but also by people and just world around us. That's all. Thank you so much po.